Hey guys, alright, today we're going to crimp an Ethernet cable. So first what you want to do is you want to remove the sheathing on the wire using the little handy dandy wire stripper. Pull that sheathing off. It's going to expose the twisted pairs. It's going to take a few minutes to separate each pair and then go ahead and untwist them and get all the wires nice and organized. Now once you get them organized, there's a specific sequence in which they need to go in. You'll see the diagram come up on the right hand side of your screen momentarily. Boom, there you go. Alright, here comes the diagram. Excellent. Alright, so now what you want to do is grab your FD500R crimping tool and you want to cut off some of the excess wire because we don't need that much to go inside the connector. Alright, grab one of your connectors and you want to funnel those wires inside, maintaining that specific color sequence. Just like that. I like to insert mine a little bit more, make sure that some of the sheathing gets in there a little bit, makes it nice and clean. Okay, so next you want to grab the FD500R tool and you want to insert the connector into the top right slot. It clips in kind of like you'd clip it into a wall jack. Alright, get that clipped inside. You'll hear a little click. Once you do that, you just want to squeeze the crimping tool closed. There we go. Alright, now make sure you just go ahead and unclip it from the tool. And there you have it. Good to go. An Ethernet cable. Nicely crimped. Everything's available at www.ferrellsdirect.com. Check the links below.